So if you look to adjust the size of a photo, so if that's the case, you're from the right place. Yes, today in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, firstly, let me show you the photo and the original size. So let me go to gallery, and for this example, I'm going to choose this particular photo. So let me show you the size of this photo. So as you can see, it is 2.88 MB. Now, let's change the size. So for doing that, just simply go to your browser and just simply type compressed JPEG, then hit enter, then open the first link. Now over here, just simply upload your image, click on upload file, choose files, and then upload your image. So after the image is uploaded, just simply click on download all, or as you can see right now the image is compressed only 77%. So if you scroll down, so as you can see right now the image is compressed 77%. So if you click on the image and scroll down, you will find a few options over here. So if you increase the slider over here, just like this, the compression will increase as well. So wait for a few seconds. Now as you can see, it is currently 1.6 MB. So if you decrease the lever, the size will also drop, let's say 30%. Now as you can see right over here, the image size is now 318 KB. So over here you can also see the difference, which is not a lot. You can also decrease a little bit more, let's say 20. And as you can see, right now the image is compressed 91%, and the total size of the image that we will download is 247 KB. Now, if you're happy with this, just simply click on apply and click on download all. And that's it. Now you have a small image. So, thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.